My name is Dr. Jason Hahn. I am a physical therapist and one of the co-owners here at HealthFit Physical Therapy and Chiropractic. One of the biggest things that sets us apart here at HealthFit is that we have an interdisciplinary staff. We have physical therapists, chiropractors, and fitness professionals. We can pick on each other's strengths with the ultimate goal of helping you as the client.
I really don't think there's any practice out there that's quite like us. It's very rare to find both chiropractic and physical therapy working hand in hand.
I really get to build relationships with all the clients that I come into contact with, and I get to journey with them on their recovery to what they want to get back to doing.
And initially, I think my role was as a trainer when I first got in. Over the few years that I've been here, it's sort of changed and morphed a bit as I got a chance to understand what the physiotherapists did and what the chiropractors did and learning from them.
So the thing that I love most about being a physical therapist goes back to being able to participate in the story of the clients that come in and walk through the door. Unfortunately, oftentimes they're kind of at their wits' end when they come in. That makes them desiring to see what it is that they're going to be able to return to, and so they're usually more committed, they're usually more willing to take the steps that they need in order to get themselves better.
I really like being able to see the transformation that the clients have had, like from the initial phone call that I had with them on the phone, as opposed to how they are now, like months from the first time that they came in. Like, it's really cool to see how well they've progressed.
This year has been very exciting for me, at least personally. In addition to co-owning HealthFit with my wife, Dr. Kelly, I am now the lead physical therapist for Major League Soccer's new Los Angeles football club. There are a lot of similarities when it comes to treating the ordinary person and the professional athlete. It's just how we scale it. It's exciting to take all of those skills that I'm continuing to learn and to bring them to our team here at HealthFit.
It all starts off with the assessment.
We want to make sure that we get a comprehensive history about what the client's been through, if they've had pain before, because we think that a good evaluation leads to a good conclusion.
We also, at least in our office, look at a host of other things, whether that's your nutrition, the way that muscles are firing, the way that emotions may be playing a role in your life and your health. So we try to look at the person as a whole and not just the symptom that they're coming in with.
So once we have a complete picture of your situation, we can move on to the second step of alleviating your discomfort. We use a variety of manual techniques and exercises to help decrease your pain, and after the pain has decreased, the next step is to correct the underlying problem so it doesn't come back. If we don't do this, we're simply putting a Band-Aid on the issue.
Many of us have said correcting is something that's really enjoyable, because at that point, being able to see someone recover throughout that whole process, I think the alleviation and the correction are both really big components in that.
A lot of people come in here asking about cortisone injections. They've gotten it twice a year for the past 5 years, but they're still in pain. The benefit of physical therapy and what we do here is that we go through their movement pattern and we figure out why they're having back pain in the first place, so that they understand what they need to do to get better.
My wife and I, we started HealthFit about 2.5, 3 years ago because we saw the need. And the need wasn't for a physical therapy clinic or a chiropractic clinic. It was to create a place that actually listened to you.
So we're able to spend an hour with the client one-on-one. That goes from treatment to exercise.
If I can help them to feel better by the time that they leave, then I'm happy. I feel like I've given something back to them.
We just really want to see them succeed, and I think they know that.
When they come in, they are still pretty timid, and then they go in, get the treatment, and it's cool to see them come back out and they're feeling a lot more hopeful than they were when they first came in, which is really cool.
It really comes down to how do we get a person from point A, not to point B, but to Z, because there's a lot of different steps in between, and we want to make sure that they can get through all those steps and then reach their health potential that way.